Hi everyone. So a very brief introduction about me. I am Divyam Gupta, a 2018 graduate from IIT Delhi, working with PwC as a current consultant currently. So I got 99.88 percentile in CAT 2019 and I'm going to join IIM Calcutta this year. So beginning with why I joined Prepzone. I'm in consulting currently and my projects involved a lot of traveling. Right from September till March, and I hardly stayed at one place for more than 2 weeks. So when I got the calls from Calcutta, Lucknow, etc., the first thing that came to my mind was to join an online coaching. Then I really wanted to be thorough with my prep and focus a lot on mock interviews and the feedbacks. These were perhaps the two most important factors on why I chose Prepzone. Obviously, there were different other things like a lot of different activities that took place and the mentors that were assigned to us. After 4 months and the final offers from Calcutta, Lucknow, Kozhikode, and Indore, I would say that was perhaps the right choice. I was guided by Shubham from the early on, and he put perhaps more efforts than me to ensure I was right on the track. There were other mentors also, like Rohit, who helped me to introspect on why actually I want to do MBA. There were a lot of different activities which not only ensured I read a lot on my own, but the discussions that used to happen in the end with all the group members, they really broadened my viewpoint. The biggest USP I will say of Prepzone is the personalized attention I got. The 9 odd mocks I gave had detailed feedback for each of the mock. There were instances when our sample wedge or the mock questions were present in the actual interview, and one of the instances was even from IIM Calcutta where there was an exact same question as my mock interview. So they helped me sail through the actual interviews quite easily. In the end, I would just conclude by saying that there is no one size that fits all, especially if the interview is as diverse as that of an IIM. So it's important to know each of your own strength and weakness, and these mocks certainly help me in that.